Hey everyone, this is a quick video to walk you through how to use discussion board, since this may be for many of you your first semester and you may not know how to use discussion board or how it works. So I'm just going to walk you through the process so that way you know how to use it for the rest of the semester. So there's two ways you can access discussion board. One is through assignments, the other is through discussion board. I really prefer that you go through assignments so that way you have access to all the material that is tied to that assignment. So I really expect for you to go through assignments. But again, you can go through the discussion board if you want. So your first discussion board is an introduction into the course. So it's under the course introduction tab. And so you see the syllabus, the acknowledgement statement, and the college writing expectations. So you have the writing prompt here, and you have two articles that I would like for you to read in order to answer those questions. You can click the assignment, click the link, and it will open up the two pages that you need. I do expect for you to read these carefully because they really tie into what I'm looking for or what I expect to see in collegiate writing. This one is taking a while to open up. But read them carefully because one of the things about discussion board is that you are specific in your details that reflect that you have read the material. So that's a big part of it. Make sure that you read the material before you answer the discussion board. So you have your two articles up. You want to make sure you read these, and this one is really quick. It's just this comparative analysis chart. And this one here really goes into the specific details. And if you look at the writing prompt, it asks a couple of questions. Well, like, what are some of the college writing expectations? List 4 reasons why the 5-paragraph theme essay is not appropriate for college writing. And this comes from this college writing handout right here. So it lists several of them, but I only want you to list a few. Then once you've read them and you want to answer the writing prompt, you just click the link and it will open up a new tab. Now, in order to respond to your peers, you must create an original thread. And this helps to make sure that you're not just reading and copying and paraphrasing or summarizing what others have written, that you've contributed to the discussion with your own original ideas. So you want to create a thread, and this will open up a new page, and this is where you will type your response. You want to make sure that you give it a title. You can title it whatever the discussion board is, or whatever you want to title it. And then you will type in your response. Let's put testing here. And then once you've written your response, please make sure that you proofread it and edit it before you post, because you are also assessed on grammar mechanics. So there's 5 components to the rubric. There is content, your response to your peers, specificity, timeliness, and grammar. So you want to make sure that you show that you have actually read and understood the material. Once you have typed up your response, you click submit. Make sure you hit submit. Do not save it because it does not save. And then once you've done that, see, I can see the other classmates, and you can click their page, and then you can read their responses and reply to them by hitting reply. So it's really not that difficult, but you want to make sure that you do not wait until the last minute to do this, and that your responses are clear, succinct, and again, reflect your comprehension of the material. I hope this helps, but if you have any questions, feel free to email me at thernandez@dcccd.edu.